LAURENMASSEY
William Massey, William, Massey, Massey.
And your client was found not guilty of all charges.
No, that was Stevon Jones.
Okay, sorry. Your client was found guilty of the charges. What was your reaction to the verdict?
Mr. Parham was found guilty of criminally negligent homicide, which is a Class E felony. So in Tennessee, that carries 1 to 2 years and is eligible for alternative sentencing. He was also found guilty of reckless endangerment, which is a Class A misdemeanor. The jury came down from a second-degree murder charge, which would have been a Class A felony carrying 15 to 25 years. While we have always believed and stood by Courtney that he was not guilty of anything in this circumstance, we understand the jury's verdict and we appreciate them listening to all of the proof. It was a substantial amount of evidence that was entered and a highly emotional topic. So we appreciate them taking the time and consideration to take in all the evidence and to listen to all of the attorneys and to come to the result that they did.
Where do you guys go from here? I know you put in a lot of time, a lot of effort to get prepared for all of this. We saw that throughout the trial. So where do you guys go from here? I'm sure it's not over.
No, so next will be the sentencing phase. And I anticipate that we will be asking for a form of alternative sentencing. So we are currently set for September the 25th for that to happen. And Courtney will have the opportunity to talk to the judge and explain why he's a good candidate for something like alternative sentencing.
And how long could that process take?
So usually there's a report that has to be made that will take at least 30 days to be made for the judge's consideration. So the sentencing is usually within somewhere between 30 and 90 days of the verdict.
It's going to sound like a stupid question, but I'm going to ask it anyways. I mean, are you guys happy with this outcome?
I have mixed feelings. I absolutely appreciate the jury and the verdict that they came to. I understand. But this is a case, I mean, we poured our hearts and souls into. We truly believe that Courtney is not guilty of this, but I do understand why the jury came to the verdict that they came to. So while I was hoping for that not guilty, I completely understand and respect the verdict that the jury came to.
Is there anything your client would wish to say or can say?
I think he's still taking it all in right now. This has been a heavy 2.5 weeks. This was an incredibly long trial. I think all of us are physically and mentally exhausted. I'm sure the jurors are too. So we're just moving forward and looking forward to sentencing.
Awesome job. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you.
Basically what the jury did is say he should have been aware of the risk of death. And he wasn't. He was negligent. There was nothing intentional, nothing knowing about this act. It was saying he should have been aware. It's the lowest grade felony that they have in Tennessee. So I echo Ms. Fuchs' gratitude to the jury and her belief in Courtney Parham. We still believe in him. Thank you.
Thank you, guys.
Thank you.